The chinga starting kebi akutile tayo mushinese pipianese yago populureka present perfect continuous tense has have been verb ing ko tungya ba me. Upama Jinoro bus ga sound era deny shibi. We've been waiting for a bus for an hour. Lunkere deny grega sound ne kera akule sound ne rongbe ba phyo le so ga yomla tebu. Dibine nga na yi ka sabi Tuma saji ne kere. She's been studying since 5 o'clock this morning. Akule jine seba. Nga na yi ka sabi kuchingti saji ne se sura ko pyo china. Law la kere. Phipyat la kere. Jinodi sa oku phat la kere. I've been reading this book. Atakushiraga bibi pipi kala present perfect tense ga le ataiga satin bi leshi chingma tayo mu shine pe me set bi phit ne lo msu lo bu da jaung ataiga satin ke bi akhu le phipyan ne se law ne se ko pho pya chin has have been verb ing ko tong ya pa me upama jino ba ta saka le la ra akhu su tong hit shi bi I've been learning language for 3 years now. I have been learning language for 3 years now. The body aga akule sepi lila ne rong be pyo china. Ba jaung le so ro ba ta saka ku 3 နှစ် lila khere lo tu pyo khe bu. 3 နှစ်ရှိပေမဲ့အခုလဲလုံနေစေဆိုတာကိုပြောချင်တာငါမင်းကိုမျှော်နေခဲ့တာ I've been expecting you for hours. Ngani ko nele krega saune khere. I've been waiting for you since noon. Muya nera nana yishibi. It's been raining for the last 2 hours. It's been raining for the last 2 hours. Kuna yigrega ngadi ma shine khere. I've been here since 9 o'clock. Lunkere Tininganu ne ka sabi tu di ma shine khere. He has been here since last Sunday. He's been here since last Sunday. Le damamya ha ne twek de ka le khin mya ko thun yet ne khe jare. The farmers have been ploughing the fields since sunrise. Tumaga watu shiri ko phala khere. She has been reading a novel. She's been reading a novel. Tuma asa tay masara khu talashibi. She has not been eating much for a month now. She hasn't been eating much for a month now.